Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel for ADA Part 2 and 3 training and any learner driver who's looking to pass his driving test. In this videos, it's a PDI going for his Part 3 test and it was unsuccessful. I'm gonna break it down all this videos what he's gone for a test and give my feedback into it. It's for learning purposes for other any ADA for ADA or PDI going for their Part 3 or standard check test. The subject was a roundabout, and the reason they failed the test is because they're not challenging the test area to their learner. And I'm gonna go through this all these videos through you and explain you. Keep watching, and thank you very much for subscribing our YouTube channel. And don't forget to thumbs up on our channel. Thank you.
At the mini roundabout, turn left first exit. Can you see a hazard?
Yes, there is a pedestrian crossing the road.
Keep going, keep going. End of the road, turn left please. What you can expect this kind of junction?
There might be oncoming traffic and pedestrian as well.
End of the road, turn right please. What do you think after the pool car is safe to go?
Yes.
Very good mirror. What is the best thing to do just before move on?
Try to check all the 3 mirrors.
Can you see a hazard in front of you?
Yes, there is a pedestrian crossing.
Okay, very soon will come the sign of roundabout. Okay, we are turning left, first exit. Can you tell me where is going the first exit? Looking the side.
We're going to the North Circular A406.
Very good. So do you know which line should you take it for taking the first exit at the left?
Yes, in the left lane.
What do you need to look for?
I have to look for the safe gap.
Can you see any gap now?
No.
Can you see any safe gap now?
No.
Very good. Keep looking. Keep looking.
There's no gap.
Look now.
No safe gap.
After the blue car,
Yes, there is a safe gap.
go. Well done. Listen the sound where it's coming from. It's far away.
It's far away, yes.
After the bend, turn left. Can you see the blue sign?
Yes.
On the left there will be a road. Tell me if you see any changes
Okay.
on the new road.
Yes, the speed is 20 here.
Can you see any changes?
Yes, this is a one-way road and I have to keep my vehicle in the middle of the road.
Very good. Next junction, turn left, please. Can you see any hazard?
Yes, a pedestrian crossing the road.
End of the road, turn left, please. Can you see any changes?
Yes, the speed is 30 here.
What do you think after the second bend is safe to go?
Yes.
Okay, Shukot, very soon will come again the sign of come the roundabout. We are going straight ahead, second exit.
Okay.
How much help do you need from my side this time?
You can prompt me again.
Safe to go?
No.
You have an update?